What's up, guys? Slim Slavic, Angus Beef here. That's the first time I've messed up this, but today we're going. Yes, we're gonna be clickbaiting today, but we got some advanced lighting now.
It's salami style here. Go check out my YouTube channel, salami style, or search up Dirt King is better. But I only have one video because I can't upload anything. It's blocking my views. Stop dropping fidget spinners so I can talk.
We're done here. So we got.
I'm talking, okay? And go check out my channel. I have a YouTube channel where I'll show you this fidget spinner. It's my new. It's all black, so I customized it. It doesn't that good, faded away. But once I go home to this house tomorrow, I will re-customize it. It'll be better. I'll upload it to my channel again.
All right,
a better version of it.
So what we're
a better version that will be so good that everyone will love it. It's gonna be so good. And I might do like a lot of glue on it, not just little spots.
We're done here.
Yeah,
so wait, shut. Stop. All right. So what we're doing? Fidget spinner. We're gonna be comparing our fidget spinners, obviously. Alright, so what we're gonna do is spin it as fast as you can. And 3, 2, 1. You gotta show it to the freaking camera. 3, 2, 1, go! I just hit mine. We have to restart it.
Oh my! We seen if Fizz spins fastest?
Yeah.
Look, I can't hold it for that long. I'll show you after I spin it. Put it down.
Obviously, we want that one to win, but that one, yeah.
You're gonna be there for a while. Mine says forever.
Yeah, yours spins forever, but we're just gonna focus on mine. Because mine's gonna stop first, obviously, because it's been rusted a lot. What? And then if you want to see his, it's okay.
They always want to see mine.
No, they don't. This is my channel. I'll get that advanced lighting over here.
I'm totally using my pro light. It'll help with you. Once it'll go with you.
I just stopped mine. So. Yours obviously wins. It was gonna obviously win anyway, so.
Okay, now
we're gonna do. Alright. Come on.
So they're equal.
Yeah, they're equal. So that's a tie. So you have 1 point. We have 0 points. I have 0 points. So next test is going to be. What was it going to be? I forgot. And I'm probably dumb for forgetting this. But, oh yeah, tricks. We can do better too.
I can't do tricks.
Alright, so I can do tricks. I'm faster than I can do tricks.
You want to see tricks, guys? Ready to see tricks?
I just made like a billion jokes of noise.
Yeah, those look like RFB headphone users.
Well, that's the video.
I was like,
his is right.
Go check out my YouTube channel.
Don't check out his.
Yes, go check out my YouTube channel. Check it out.
But his fidget spinner stop. His fidget spinner won. It's kind of hard to do a collab with him. You're not getting a shout out. So goodbye.